Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. I don't think I ever did this many videos about somebody. I told y'all that white woman remind me of some Get Out type shit. I told y'all, go check my last 2 videos out. But I was just looking at this sister named Paris Milan video. Y'all, and I want y'all to go check her video out. I'm not going to put inserts, no clips, because her video explains everything. But when I tell y'all, this white heifer, okay, it's this guy, just to make it just really short, it's this guy that's friends with B and then know Dan too. And he recorded, he literally seen the white lady pop B's hand. Like, I don't care if her mental is a 4-year-old. You don't pop her fucking hand. She's a grown woman. And then Paris said something like, he was like, B is the most beautiful woman of the something. Y'all go check her video. And then the white heifer smacked him too. So this lady, white superiority behind, is beating on both of them. Like, you know what? I seen that pinching going around at first, and I'm like, nah, it's not that serious. Even though I felt like it was some Get Out type mess. But now, when I tell you now, I'm gonna go sign that pension. And y'all probably need to go sign that pension too. This dude, why would this dude that been knowing B for so long lie about something like that? You know, like, they need to get B out their house. Cause what the hell she smacking B on the hand? Cause they keep saying she a 4-year-old, like, got a 4-year-old mind. She might do, but she's still a grown woman. Like, you don't smack her. If she's messing with something, you move it out the way. You don't, who the hell this, ooh, who the hell this paint toe motherfucker think she is? Gonna put her hands on B. No, she gotta go. She got to go find this pension. I'm finna go sign this. I think someone had put it in the comments, so I'm finna go look for it and I'm finna sign it. She gotta go. Dan, he created this because only thing his old coon behind had to do was go get divorce her, get someone to take over her estate, because he don't need to be taking over her estate when he divorced her, and he needed to go put her somewhere that can take care of her really good. It's people do jobs like that every day, 24 hours a day. They not hitting on, well, I ain't gonna say they not, because people do hit on people in them places like that. But they just need to find her. She just need to get out. She need to get out. Just like that movie I said, when that man said, get out, she needs to get out of there. And the thing is, she can get out. Yeah, she just need to, even though that's her house, she need to get out. She need to get away from them. That's just all I gotta say.